Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with collectible sports memorabilia investing review my usage experience. Collectible sports memorabilia investing review my usage experience offers curated information and analysis on investing in collectible sports memorabilia. Its main purpose is to help users navigate this niche market, providing insights into valuation, authentication, and potential investment strategies. The target audience is anyone interested in sports memorabilia as an investment vehicle, from beginners to experienced collectors. Key features likely include market analysis, expert opinions, and perhaps even tools for evaluating potential purchases. Their website provides details on their subscription plans and the types of analysis offered. The service positions itself as a resource to help mitigate risk and potentially maximize returns in the often volatile world of sports memorabilia investment. Pricing is transparent, with clearly stated subscription tiers. They emphasize their team of experienced analysts and their commitment to providing accurate and up-to-date information. Availability is readily accessible via their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using collectible sports memorabilia investing review my usage experience. Getting started was a breeze. I simply signed up on their website, and after confirming my email, I had immediate access to their library of articles and analysis. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard was clearly laid out, allowing me to easily access different sections, from market trends to individual player profiles. I particularly appreciated their detailed analysis of rookie cards, a segment I'm particularly interested in. The quality of the information was excellent, providing well-researched insights that went beyond simple price quotes. I had a quick question about the authentication process for a specific card, and their support responded within 2 days via email, providing a helpful and informative response. I was really impressed by how in-depth their analysis of historical trends was. One minor drawback was the occasional slow loading times on certain pages, likely due to the amount of data they present. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with collectible sports memorabilia investing review my usage experience. It's a valuable resource for anyone looking to make informed decisions in this specialized market. That's my overview of collectible sports memorabilia investing review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.